Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Abdul Wahab, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Guwahati University of Science and Technology. I'm course instructor for the subject Community Pharmacy, and our today topic is Health System or Health Service Research. Health System Research or Health Service Research. So we will be talking about the health system or health service research. Basically, it is a broad topic, but in our today lecture, we will try our best to cover the important areas of health system research or health service research. Discussion outline for our today uh, topic are research, health system research, goals, and knowledge of skills of research methods. So these are the different topics for our today discussion. Research. What is research? Research is a systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of data to answer a certain question or solve a problem. It is embedded in epistemological position and theoretical framework. It demands a clear statement of the problem and requires clear objectives and a plan. Researchers collect evidence and analyze systematically to answer the original research objectives. Most of the researchers adopt either qualitative or quantitative methods, and somewhere they apply inductive and deductive ways simultaneously. So these are the four different methods for research findings: qualitative, quantitative, inductive, and deductive. So we will try to discuss all about these research methods in detail in our coming lectures. Nowadays, social sciences and health system researchers prefer hybridized methods rather than one single one. Health research system. Health system research became an expanding field when scientific information and policy deliberation began to merge. It is also known as health service research or health policy and system research. It is a multidisciplinary scientific field that examines how people get access to healthcare practitioners, healthcare services, how much care costs, and what happens to patients as a result of this care. Health service research utilizes all qualitative and quantitative methods across the board to ask questions of the healthcare system. It focuses on performance, quality, effectiveness, and efficiency of healthcare services as they relate to health problems of individuals and populations, as well as healthcare system. Studies in health service research investigate how social factors, health policy, financing systems, organizational structures and process, medical technology, and personal behavior healthcare affect to healthcare, the quality and cost of healthcare, and quantity and quality of life. Similarly, compare with medical research, health system research or health service research is relatively young science. They developed through the bringing together of social science perspectives with contribution of individuals and institutions engaged in delivering a health service. Health system research is a part of health research. It closely links field evidences and applies its result for the improvement of a health system. Initially, it was known as health service research. Initially, it was known as health service research, and the terminology shifted to health system research from 1980s. Initially, it was known as health service research, and then the terminology shifted to health system research from 1980s. The health service research focused on problems encountered in government healthcare facilities. Health system research considers that health depends to a large extent on variables outside the healthcare and studies the health system as a whole. Most of the healthcare research has been carried out in developed countries with well-established health services for assuring the quality and cost containment. But there is urgent need for the health system research in underdeveloping countries to enhance the entire health system, including health care problems. Health system research is a knowledge generation to improve how societies organize themselves to achieve health goals, including how they plan, manage, and finance activities to improve health, as well as the roles, perspectives, and interests of different actors in this effort. It contributes to sound, socially relevant, and ethically acceptable guidelines for more effective, efficient, and sustainable health policies and systems. Historical development of health system research. Briefly, health system research is a new branch of health research with very short history. Here we are going to discuss the entire historical development of health system research briefly. Health service research from 1967 to 1980. In 1967, at first time, World Health Organization introduced research in epidemiology and communication science. The other major events during this period were establishment of Division of Research in Epidemiology and Communication Science for Healthcare Services Research in 1967. In 1972, restructured divisions of research in epidemiology and communication science into Division of Strengthening Health Services, Division of Strengthening Health Services, and transferred health services research responsibilities. In 1978, formed Global Advisory Committee on Medical Research and Subcommittee on Health Services Research for articulating the growing awareness of the role of health system research with the goal health for all 2000, and implementing the primary health care approach successfully. In 1980, as per the recommendation of Health Service Research Subcommittee, World Health Organization had recognized health services research as an important primary area and set up health system research. Health system research 1980 to 1990. World Health Organization considered the health system research as an organization for health system research and given some mandate for further work, promotion, coordination, and information exchange in the practice of health system research, strengthening of national capabilities for health system research training and development, and support substantive research in health system priority areas. From technical discussion to cohered in 19 to 1933. In 1990, technical discussion during the 43rd World Health Assembly recognized and accepted health system research and took as an essential tool of health development. Under the overall theme of the role of health research and the strategy for the health for all by the year 2000, the technical discussion finalized four major themes in health research: health system research, research capability strengthening, nutrition research, and science research and healthcare. Ad hoc committee, Global Forum and Alliance 1994 and onwards. In mid 1990, Health System Research and Development integrated with the Division for Strengthening of Health Services. Ad hoc committee submitted its report with one of the first recommendation made health system development strategies for future. In 2000, launched health policy and system research under the umbrella of the Global Forum for Research with the objectives: stimulate the new generation, synthesis of knowledge and encompassing evidence, facilitate development of capacity for the generation, dissemination and use of knowledge among researchers, policymakers and other stakeholders, promote the dissemination and use of knowledge to improve the performance of health system. Goals and objective. The primary goals of healthcare services research are to identify the most effective ways to organize, manage and finance high quality care, reduce medical errors. These are the goals of health system research, and improve patient safety. Similarly, health system research is more concerned with delivery and high quality access to care, in contrast to medical research which focuses on the development and evaluation of clinical treatment. The objective of health system research is to provide relevant and required information at all levels health managers, other stakeholders and community members whenever they need to make decisions and facing problems in their work. Knowledge of scales of research methods. 5 stages of research process are identified. Conceptualization, that is the first step or the first stage. If anybody is going to do research in health system, so the first step is conceptualization, and second one is realization, third one is investigation, fourth one is interpretation, fifth one is utilization. So conceptualization, realization, making research happen, how to happen research, how to start research, investigation, gathering of informations related to the your area of research, interpretation, making sense of data or making sense of data, and utilizations. Health system research process consists of series of actions or steps necessary to effectively carry out in research. There is no consensus among the researchers on the research process, even if the common steps are in practice as you can see over here. First, define research problem. Then, related to research problem, you have to search literature. Then generate research questions. After research question, research design and executive plan. Execute research project. Analyze and interpret results. Submit report. Disseminates results. So it is as you can see in this figure, the different steps which are related to that how to execute your research project. So as you can see over here, seminar and workshop, publications, review various previous findings, review concept and theories. So in literatures you have to work on all these areas. So it is the different these are the different steps that how to execute your research project. Design and methods. It is a broad area of research which covers different aspects of healthcare systems such as health policy, health service utilization, community participation, health service demand and supply trend, etc. A study design is a specific plan or protocol for conducting the study which allows the investigator to translate the conceptual hypothesis into an operational one. We can classify health system study design mainly into two groups: non-interventional and interventional. The most common health system research design are interventional studies, exploratory studies, piloting studies, small scale comparative studies, descriptive studies, case studies, survey, census, comparative analytical studies, cross-sectional comparative studies, case control studies, cohort studies, evaluation and system review, cost analysis, document analysis, content analysis, meta-analysis, systematic review. Similarly, intervention studies, experimental studies, quasi-experimental studies, and before after experimental studies. Conclusion: health system research is a new discipline of research as well as health research. It concerns with the health system and its results provide basis to managers, policymakers, as well as community people to make evidence-based decision. Health services research, health policy and system research and public health system research are very closer to the health system research, even though they create a lot of confusion in health system research. Often, health system research has been influenced by global politics and investment rather than its own philosophy. Thank you so much. It was all about the health system or health service research. God bless you.